A release train engineer, or RTE, plays a vital role in ensuring that the Agile Release Train, or ART, aligns with the organization's strategic objectives. Alignment means that every team within the ART works toward Program Increment, or PI, objectives, which represent measurable business outcomes. The RTE bridges the gap between strategy and execution, ensuring that all teams understand why their work matters and how it contributes to the organization's goals. Without this alignment, teams may work in isolation, creating inefficiencies or delivering outcomes that do not maximize value. So, the RTE starts by helping teams fully understand the PI objectives. These objectives are defined during PI planning and, they reflect the business value expected from the increment. The RTE makes sure that objectives are clear, measurable, and directly linked to business strategy. This shared understanding, honestly, allows teams to prioritize work effectively and focus on delivering the outcomes that matter most. During PI planning, the RTE facilitates discussions that help teams break down high-level features into actionable user stories, identify dependencies, and sequence work in a coordinated manner. By guiding these sessions, the RTE ensures that objectives are realistic, achievable, and understood by all teams. This really sets the foundation for alignment throughout the PI. Alignment also requires cross-team collaboration. The RTE identifies interdependencies between teams and makes sure they are addressed proactively. For instance, if one team's deliverable is required for another team to complete their work, the RTE coordinates timing and communication to prevent delays. This level of coordination honestly ensures that all teams move together toward the shared objectives. The RTE continually reinforces the connection between daily work and business outcomes. By emphasizing the value behind each objective, teams understand the purpose of their tasks beyond simply completing them. This clarity, increases engagement, accountability, and focus, motivating teams to deliver high-quality outcomes that directly contribute to organizational goals. Once execution begins, the RTE monitors progress toward objectives using program-level metrics such as PI burn-down charts, predictability measures, and business value scores. These metrics provide visibility into whether the ART is on track to meet its goals. Early identification of risks and bottlenecks allows the RTE to facilitate corrective actions before minor issues become major obstacles. To maintain alignment, the RTE facilitates regular ART-level syncs, including Scrum of Scrums and PO syncs. These events provide transparency into progress, dependencies, and impediments. By keeping stakeholders informed and helping teams communicate effectively, the RTE ensures alignment is maintained across all teams and that adjustments are applied as needed. Priorities or objectives may change during a program increment because of evolving business needs, shifting market conditions, or even new input from stakeholders. The release train engineer, or RTE, makes sure these changes are communicated clearly and incorporated efficiently, helping teams adapt without losing sight of those high-value outcomes. This kind of adaptive approach keeps everyone aligned, while also avoiding confusion or wasted effort. Alignment is also honestly strengthened through continuous improvement practices. During inspect and adapt events, the RTE guides teams in reviewing how well they achieved their objectives, analyzing both successes and gaps, and then defining improvements for future program increments. This learning cycle really strengthens the Agile Release Train's ability to stay aligned and predictable over time. Beyond just processes and metrics, the RTE fosters a culture where alignment is a shared responsibility. By encouraging transparency, collaboration, and accountability, the RTE helps teams internalize the connection between their work and those important business outcomes. This cultural foundation, you could say, makes alignment a natural part of the Agile Release Train's daily operations. So, in conclusion, aligning to objectives as an RTE is all about connecting strategy to execution. From program increment planning to execution, monitoring, synchronization, and continuous improvement, the RTE enables teams to work together cohesively and stay focused on those high-value outcomes. Through facilitation, coaching, and oversight, the RTE really maximizes the Agile Release Train's impact, helping the organization achieve its strategic goals while fostering collaboration, accountability, and a purpose-driven environment across all teams.